You can expect a lot from the 2018 Kia Optima. This 4-door, 5-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, blind spot sensor, and more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.